Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.
Wow, my people. Dancehall Skilla there again once more, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I am going to present to you videos that have been talked about on social media, and I want you to brace yourself because these videos might be somewhat surprising and are shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when a man caught a man inside of his house after the person break and enter into the person's house. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when this video will be recorded, and you might be surprised to see and hear some things in this video. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me, what would you do if you somehow find someone in your house who break and enter into your house? I'm going to tell you what I think is best after I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. As I mean, you can tell me what you think about the things I said after I said it. As I mean, I said, now I want you to please bear in mind that you can hear a certain amount of harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Pay attention, my people. Now, in my point of view, you know, it seems as if whosoever was video recording was somewhat taking time to go to a certain spot within a house, you know. See, look, some Jamaicans might say the person that Jim Squeechy. You see me? Just look and listen. Look and listen. Listen where I go and look. Watch out now. Look at.
You straight? You find what you look for?
Watch it.
Huh? No. You find what you look for?
Watch it.
Yeah. I catch you.
I record this.
I fucking catch you. Come make we talk now. Are you going to jail or not? Tell you what you want to do. Up to you.
Because I hear you send more messages.
Yeah, you just send more message. I catch you.
More message me, big dog.
Yeah, I catch you.
Now me come in and house, big dog. Get it sent.
That who then?
Bye. I just the this no like I don't want.
You just the fuck with this.
For me, big dog.
Well, like you I get blamed for it. Like you I get blamed for it, fam.
You blame me on that.
Yeah, you tell you blame me so I never approach me like a man instead of rocking on my house. Why? Because I got a plan for you, boy. I pray me, brother. Right? I'm gonna hurt you, know. Serious.
Aye.
I hurt you, but what I do, you know what? I got you for camera. I'm gonna report you now.
Yeah, report.
Yeah, I'm gonna report you, man. I'm gonna report you, man.
Watch out.
Yeah.
My people. The man says something to the man and the man goes so. Like really. You see me? People, I wonder if I frighten when he goes so, you know. I wonder. You understand? Yeah. You see me? Yeah, and look at the window to viewers and subscribers. I mean, where do you think that man entered the person's house from? How you think that person got into the person's house? Eh? Anyways, listen. My best advice to each and everyone, you see, if you somehow find yourself in a situation where you catch someone inside your house who break and enter into your house, try your best to leave the whole situation in the hands of the police. You see me I say? Now, I know some people might disagree with things that I just said and say, oh, that's a skill, I catch a person in my house, mega wah, and all them things. But people, let me tell you something, you see? Sometimes you might be surprised to see how a situation might turn out. You understand? You might attack the person and you might find yourself go through a whole heap of questioning and certain things with the law. You understand me? So I think it's best for you to put the whole situation in the hands of the police. Now, if the person attack you and you have to resort to self-defense, then I don't know what to say about a situation like that, because I don't have the right to tell someone not to defend his or herself. No. I don't have the right to do that after me not hold nobody. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about that situation, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a person crying. Yeah, the next video I'm going to present to you. In this video, you can see a person with tears coming from his eyes. And in the video, the person said some things that gave me, Dancehall Skilla, the understanding that he said that his music or his song play on the radio, but he never got $1. I assume that means him saying never get no money, even though him song play on the radio. You see? So if you're subscribers, in my point of view, this is a sad situation. And I'm going to present the video to you, and then I'm going to explain certain things when it comes on to the music business. So may I say if you're subscribers, alright? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. And I want to tell me what I think about this video and about the situation shown in the video. Observe.
We never get $1 for a radio yet in the middle and tune play for a radio in the dog. If they are fool, they take one for $1 million, they take brother. They are fool, they take one for $1 million, they take a note and go ahead them people. And brother, look how long man suffer, brother. Come, blood cry like man suffer youth, I don't want to go style man, no brother. Everything good man, yeah. I think one lick of the diesel for the train. Everything good man.
So I have to show people in brother say Chopper Block.
Yo, I want to show you and call me name brother. Chopper Block and share
that. My name think a class brother. You see through that they say that class.
Give me them my brother. Beg them a second and them my brother. And me no party man in but me they could have done no better. You feel free cause beg me up here beg right through. Say like yes me beg $100 so yes me beg the class. You feel that? So we beg that prank, that pants, and we ain't charge it. And so we beg that shirt, and you see preach.
I want to hear.
Hey, no, my friend give me a sea preach, to help me move out and things them out of our house one day. I say, oh, that's you see preach, you can take care of me.
Where radio station you over England?
So we get to see preach.
Where radio station you over England?
No, nothing wrong in that.
I radio station over England, where do you like this?
I know my people, that video is sad. Video is sad, you know. Me hear some things that the person say in the video, I might tell you that video is sad. Let me tell you something, viewers and subscribers. As I say, you see, to each and every musicians out there, no matter where you are in the world, you see, once you have the music, or you have the movies and them things that with certain arts or so forth, try and register yourself with companies that will collect royalties for your work. You get what I say? Yeah, me can't just talk for Jamaica alone, you know. Me I talk for the whole world. If you're an artist, then see, if you're a musician, try and get yourself registered with companies that collect royalties for your art. That is the key move to make if you're a musician or an artist, as well some persons might say. As I say, viewers and subscribers, see, no, me not gonna just judge this person when me see in the video. No, me not gonna judge the person because me don't know what his situation was when it comes on to the things that he said. I understand, but it really is sad to hear some things when he said. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. So I say, anyway, so you see the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. In this video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about the Jamaican men. Now, in the video, the female said other things as well, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm not going to say much about this video. I want to listen to some things that the female said and tell me if you agree or disagree with the things that she said in this video. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, people. Observe.
Jamaican man, then come up for and I go to left people. I'm a woman. I may have experience and may go through certain things. Listen, I'm a Jamaican man, they want come up foreign and run go left people. I work into a multicultural home, my job.
Listen.
And listen, every culture people work there and they tell you about their man. Their man, a dog just like a Jamaican. But me go tell you something. No, well no hear about Jamaican because Jamaican very famous and Jamaican man them are the best. So you don't hear about the Jamaican, you know, that country, but trust me, every man has a dog. But me go tell you something too, with the woman. You see, when you go to Jamaica and you meet one man, you go on vacation, you have to tell the man the real deal. Tell the man them say you don't live nowhere, or you live in one apartment. Tell the man them say you don't have no work, or no work a factory, or you live on welfare. tell the man him say no have nothing, uno sleep on floor.
That if you go so.
Mattress sleep on the bed.
That
tell
if
the
you go
man
so.
say no have no money in the bank, uno have nothing. So you see when the man them, and when you go to Jamaica again, uno tap carry bag of suitcase of clothes and all these things don't give the man them, make them feel so no rich. And when I tell the man now when you go down there and splurge and they do all kind of sitting and him and they spend no money and now make the man take out their money. When you go to Jamaica go spend holiday. You make the man treat him like you meet one man in a relationship like you know that foreign and meet one man and the man they take care of and they take you out. That's how you feel happy when you go up.
Hey,
that means when they come up they don't expect too much. And that's a problem when they come they expect you to do the same thing like what you do when you go to Jamaica. So me I'll tell no people, when you stop say Jamaica man they wicked and then come and they ungrateful. Me not say somebody not ungrateful for real and somebody no want opportunity, but who no want opportunity? Listen. Woman a Jamaica married man to white man, every man and use them and abuse them and left them. You know hear about it. You know hear about the man when they left the man them, you know, and use them for papers and stuff, you know. But guess what? Because the man then hold it down and I told the woman then talking more. But listen to me, if you start him up, self and do the right thing and then people won't come and find come expect and the man them, young boy them, if you don't want sex, you take the sex and come back on the yard. But when you go down there and get the sex and then mind the boy them and compare, the boy them go expect the same thing, so not pay for the sex. So no level man and stop disrespect the man them. No, so they're not but terrible, you know. Man them terrible at Jamaica, they're wicked. But listen, sometimes they're not all that.
Well, my people, some people might disagree with the things that the female said in that video, and some people might agree with the things that she said. You see me I say? But me I gotta be honest with you. The lady makes some strong, valid points in my point of view, you know. You see me I say? I mean, I don't want to say much, because I don't want nobody go say, oh, don't so Skilla, we also Skilla. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I don't want to say much, but I really the lady makes some very valid points in my point of view. Yeah, see me I say? Yeah, man, some valid points. You know, the other day, I don't remember when, I think last month, and I say more than 2 or 3 weeks ago, I see a video on social media that shows a female talking about Jamaican men. You see me, I say viewing subscribers, and in my point of view, is like she has said some negative things about Jamaican men. You see me, that video went somewhat viral on social media. Well, listen to some things that this female said in this video. No, you see me, I say. Yeah, so tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that you said. Me not gonna say much more. As me say, me don't want say certain things and then next thing person gonna say, oh, Skilla, Ray and blah. You know, me I left it there. So big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.